Hello class. In this video we are going to write a program named makeChange that calculates and displays the conversion of an entered number of dollars into currency denominations, 20, 10s, 5s, and 1s. For example, $113 is 5 20s, 1 10, 0 5s, and 3 1s. Okay, we can do that. So let's go ahead and create our makeChange project. So File, New Project, Console App. We're going to name this project Make Change. Click Next and Create. Okay, let's using static system.console. Let's go ahead and create our public class of Make Change. Open and close curly braces for the body. Let's create our main method, public static void main. And here's where we're going to do this. We need to make change, right? So 20s, 5s, 10s, and 1s. So we're going to have a few constants here. Const, and we're going to have an int, and this is going to be 20. That's going to equal 20. We're going to have a const int. We're going to have 10, and that's going to equal 10. We're going to have a const int. We're going to name this one 5, and that's going to be 5, and we do not need the 1. And I'll show you why in a minute. So we have our constants. 20 is 20, 10 is 10, 5 is 5. And now we're going to have a integer, and we're going to call this the total dollars. Total dollars equals, what they put, 113? Do they have the user type it in? No, it didn't say anything about the user. So we're going to do that. And we're going to convert it. So we're going to take the total dollars, and we're going to, actually, we're going to have a few more things. Just getting ahead of myself. We're going to have an integer for 20s. And 20s is going to equal the total dollars divided by 20. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the total dollars, and what we're going to do is we're going to take that information and we're going to say total dollars modulus 20. So what this is doing is this is taking the total dollars up here, 113. We're taking 113, dividing it by 20, but we're getting the remainder with the modulus because we divided by 20 here and got the quotient for the 20s. So what's left over, we're going to divide and get the remainder, and we're going to put that back into our variable of total dollars. So now we're going to have an int for tens, and that is going to equal the new total dollars divided by 10. And then we're going to have another total dollars equals the total dollars modulus 10. We just did the same thing. We got the quotient of what was left divided by 10. We're putting that into the tens. And then we're going to get the modulus after we divide by 10. What's left over, we're putting that back into our total dollars. We're going to have another int for 5s. And that is going to equal total dollars divided by 5. And then here's the tricky part. We're going to have another int, and this is going to be 1s. And the 1s is going to be the total dollars modulus 5. So now we have these variables that work. So what we can do is our write line now. And we can do a $sign in front of our double quotes to fill in our placeholder. So we're going to have a placeholder. Oh, yeah, a placeholder, and we're going to type in total dollars into that placeholder. And we're going to say we're going to have another placeholder for the 20s, if I can type correctly. Another placeholder for 20s, 2020s. We're going to have another placeholder for 10s. We have another placeholder for 5s. We have another placeholder for 1s. So the amount of dollars is however many 20s, however many 10s, however many 5s, and however many 1s. Let's go ahead and run this. See if we got the same thing. 5 20s, 1 10, 0 5s, and 3 1s. All right. Oh, cancel. Let me know if you have any questions over this exercise. We just got some constants and we use our modulus and our dividing operator several times instead of just once. And that's really all we've done that's different. We also did the $ placeholders instead of just having the number for placeholder. All right, let me know if you have any questions and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day.